Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reorder your pages in Canva, a super handy trick when you want your designs or presentations to flow perfectly. First, open your project in Canva and make sure you're logged into your account. Once your design is open, look toward the bottom of your screen and click on the grid view icon. This view lets you see all your pages at once, making it easy to move them around. Now, simply click and hold on the page you want to move. You'll notice it lifts slightly. That means it's ready to be dragged. Just drag it to where you want it to go and drop it into place. Canva will automatically adjust the other pages to fit the new order. If you want to rearrange multiple pages, repeat the same process until your layout looks just right. And don't worry if you change your mind. You can move the pages around as many times as you like. And that's it. That's how you can quickly reorder pages in Canva to keep your designs clean and organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.